The 2025 Chevrolet Malibu is an anticipated addition to Chevrolet's lineup, blending a refreshed design and innovative features with performance and practicality. This model marks a new chapter for the Malibu, with enhancements in styling, technology, and efficiency that make it competitive in the midsize sedan market. The 2025 Malibu embraces a more dynamic and modern exterior design, focusing on sleek lines, a refined front grille, and striking LED lighting elements. Chevrolet's new design language brings a sportier, more aggressive stance with wider and lower dimensions, enhancing its appeal to both younger and seasoned drivers alike. At the front, an expansive grille showcases the Chevrolet emblem prominently, bordered by slim, angular headlights that incorporate advanced LED technology, giving the Malibu an assertive yet refined look. The 2025 Malibu also offers a range of paint options and wheel designs, from 17-inch alloys on the base trims to bold 19-inch designs on the upper trims, giving each version a unique, premium feel. Inside, the Malibu combines spaciousness with a driver-focused cockpit, emphasizing both functionality and comfort. High-quality materials, including optional leather seating, wood grain or metallic accents, and soft-touch surfaces, create a welcoming environment. The cabin design is modern and minimalist, with a new infotainment system showcased on a 12-inch touchscreen in the center console. Under the hood, the 2025 Malibu is anticipated to offer a variety of powertrain options, aiming to balance performance and fuel efficiency. The base model might come with a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing around 160 horsepower and 184 lb-ft of torque, ideal for everyday commuting and maximizing fuel economy. For those seeking more power, an optional 2.0-liter turbocharged engine may be available on higher trims, offering around 250 horsepower. Paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission, this engine will likely provide responsive acceleration and an engaging driving experience. The 2025 Chevrolet Malibu is anticipated to debut in late 2024, with availability at dealerships by early 2025. Pricing for the base LS trim is expected to start around $27,000, making it an accessible option for budget-conscious buyers. The Premier trim, with its additional features and luxury touches, may reach closer to $40,000, offering a premium experience while still undercutting some competitors in the luxury sedan segment. The 2025 Chevrolet Malibu represents a thoughtful blend of style, performance, and technology, making it an attractive choice for drivers seeking a modern midsize sedan.